How to fix Disney Plus sound problem. Welcome everybody to this video. I will give you the best solution to fix this right now. Let's do it. Open first the settings of your mobile phone. Click add your apps option. Search for Disney Plus and click. Guys, here you will see this list. Scroll it down. Click on the storage option. Click clear cache and back. After that, click for stop and click OK. Come now guys directly to Play Store or App Store and update your Disney Plus. After updating your Disney Plus, the last step is very easy. Go restart your device and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel and bye.